So to assemble this chair, it comes pretty much pre-assembled. All you gotta do is unscrew the base, then line up A and B to the front two. The longer legs should be in the front part of the seat and the shorter legs should be in the back. And you just screw it in. Notice I just hand screw them in first. You'll use an Allen wrench to tighten, but you don't want to go too tight because the screws are cheap and you can strip them quite easily. And that's it. I typically go install the screws diagonally.
I mean, if you can just...
And as you find out.